Very good afternoon to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of Act 3, Scene 5 from The Merchant of Venice. Students, till date, I have posted videos till Act 3, Scene 4. So we are in a position to now understand that, yes, Portia will be disguised as Balthazar and Nerissa will be disguised as judge's clerk, and they both would be defending the case in the court of Venice. So let's see what happens in Act 3, Scene 5. The scene has only three characters: Lorenzo, Jessica and Lancelot. And you people already know that Portia and Nerissa have left for Venice in order to rescue Antonio's life. And Lorenzo and Jessica are taking care of mansion. Whose mansion? Portia's mansion, Bassanio's mansion. Lancelot is Bassanio's servant. This is the reason he is there in Belmont. Lancelot, in the beginning of the scene, he curses Jessica as she is the daughter of a Jew. Could you ever believe this? Lancelot, who was so close to Jessica, is cursing her today. What could be the possible reason? Yes, he was really tortured because of Jessica's father, and he is jealous of Lorenzo also. He says, Jessica, you will never get into heavens because you are the daughter of a Jew. Jessica is disturbed. She says, I will complain this to my husband. And look at Lancelot's misbehavior with Jessica. He has taken Jessica to a dark corner and he is speaking with her. Enters Lorenzo. Jessica complains to Lorenzo. Earlier, Lancelot even cursed Lorenzo because Lorenzo got married to a Jew, transformed her into a Christian. Lancelot gives a reason that in today's date, the price of pork has gone up because the strength of Christians is increasing day by day. Lorenzo straight away warns Lancelot to mind his work, get the dishes covered, ask the servants to be ready and set the dining table, because Lorenzo and Jessica would be soon ready for dinner. Leave the place. But Lancelot starts mocking at Lorenzo, does not leave the place at once. He kept on arguing with Lorenzo, and Lorenzo abused Lancelot in front of Jessica by saying that what fanciful of words he has. He also warns Lancelot that do not dare to mock at me. Don't try to play your wits at me. But he leaves the place now. Lancelot leaves the place now. Lorenzo and Jessica both are left. And they start discussing about Portia. Jessica straight away says that Portia is like a prayer to Bassanio. Bassanio will have to appraise his standard of living. If he doesn't enjoy heaven on earth because he has Portia, he won't be able to enjoy heavens anywhere. She says that if two gods, this is personification, play a heavenly match, if the first god creates a virtuous Portia, the second god would fail to recreate another Portia with the same virtues like this. Lorenzo tries to flatter Jessica by expressing his feelings, but Jessica has few grudges inside her against Lorenzo. She wants to discuss few things with him, but Lorenzo again insults Jessica by saying that, oh God, no, don't disturb me, Jessica, please, I am very hungry. I will digest all your talks and the food, but not here at the dining table. Students, this is how Act 3, Scene 5 ends. Keep watching my video. I would be posting Act 4, one of the most important acts included in The Merchant of Venice, very soon. You can log into my channel in the name of Desire Career Point. Thank you so much. God bless you all.